Hey YouTube, this is my review of the Shuttle Pro 2 from Contour Design. It is a fully programmable control surface, which is great for whatever you want it to be. I use it for editing video. Now I use a Mac, so this is going to be kind of centered around the Mac, but of course there's software to run this on the Windows side as well. Taking a look at this, there is a set of buttons on top. Now these buttons have a clear plastic cover over them. The reason for that is it comes with a sheet of pre-printed buttons that you can punch out and put under these covers to remind you what the buttons do in whatever program you use the most. Now in the middle there's a wheel, but it's actually two wheels. The outer one moves in either direction but springs to the center, and the middle one just continuously moves in either direction. Now the cool thing about the outer wheel is there's actually zones in each direction and it can trigger other things. For me, I just use it as a shuttle wheel so I can move faster or slower, forward or backwards in editing, but again, very customizable. There are two buttons on the left and the right, and then four on the bottom. Now, it took a little bit of a learning curve for me to use it, but now that I am used to using it and can edit with one hand, I don't want to edit ever without it. In fact, I'm going to be editing this video you're watching right now with the Shuttle Pro 2, right Dave? So the link for this is in the description. It's about $99, absolutely worth it. Even if you don't edit video, like I said, it's completely configurable. It's not a global setting. Every single program can be completely customized, or you can have some of the buttons that always do the same thing in every program. It's up to you. So that is my review. If you find it useful, I again highly recommend picking one up from Amazon. Please follow my link, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Thanks for watching.